What is a steam mop? A steam mop is a cleaning tool that uses hot steam to clean floors. In simple words, a steam mop cleans floors using steam instead of strong chemicals. It works by heating water inside the mop, turning the water into steam, releasing the steam onto the floor. The hot steam helps to remove dirt and stains, kill germs and bacteria, clean surfaces effectively. For example, she used a steam mop to clean the kitchen floor. This means she cleaned using hot steam instead of regular cleaning liquid. Steam mops are commonly used on tile floors, wood floors with care, laminate floors. They are popular because they are easy to use, chemical-free, good for deep cleaning. For example, a steam mop makes cleaning easier and faster. This means it helps clean more efficiently. Here are some more example sentences. The steam mop removed tough stains. It uses only water to clean. He prefers a steam mop for hygiene. Some related terms include cleaning, steam, floor care, and household tools. In simple terms, a steam mop is a device that cleans floors using hot steam. Easy way to remember. Steam mop means cleaning floors with steam instead of chemicals.